Got the ice box ready, ice beer, steaks, bacon, a seafood chicken. Real quick, I got all my sleeping pillows, put in the car. 2 days, 3 days clothes, my computer stuff, speakers, power banks, like 10 liters of water, coffee, chips, dry noodles, my pot, Seiko, beer, squirt, and a 6-pack below. Frozen food, meat, frozen beer, bacon. What else is in there? So my camping trailer is all done. My kitchen set up here. Sleeping set up here. And extra space for maybe a dog. Alright, now let's check the map to see where we are going. Because that is not decided yet.
Okay, it's been decided. I will go to the west side because there's no snow protest today. And you know, it's kind of a mountain. So it's a choice between a mountain or the beach. I decided mountain because we have beaches back home, but no mountains here. No mountains back home, so.
The Centennial Bridge Puente Centenaria in Spanish is a cable-stayed bridge that crosses the Panama Canal in Panama. It was built to relieve traffic on the bridge of the Americas and to replace the Pan American Highway route. After its opening in 2004, it became the second permanent crossing of TH.
Guess where I just pulled up? And now we're ready to go! Just in case, besides my candle or my bottle of kerosene, this candle and cutleries that I forgot. And I picked it up at a place called Do It Sana, hardware, sports store with everything. Damn, son. That looks good.
Stop to enjoy my Starbucks at the side of the road. We're about like 15-20 minutes out. It's really nice. Really nice.
Oh shit, nobody said it's gonna be off-road at any part. Oh fuck. This is not a 4x4 car. Oh my. Holy fuck. This is off-road and steep, and I don't know if a 2x2 can do it. Oh, slipping, it's slipping. Should I turn the TCS off?
Your destination is on the right.
Not gonna be able to do it in reverse. Oh. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Okay. It's not going up anymore. I'm gonna try.
Okay, I'm not exactly stuck. I just can't go up. I don't know how to show. It's pretty. It's not really steep. I think it's just no traction. The ground here is muddy slipping on the right. Okay, I got my pass. It is kind of the place. I didn't go up that slope, but when there's another roundabout slope. $5 for parking here. But it's no waterside parking. I have to park outside. So it comes with toilets that I can use. 1 minute. So there's the parking lot to the place, and it's 45 minutes from the top. So the entrance is there. So I'm gonna get a spot up in the parking lot at the top there. So I can't see the water exactly, but I think this is the... Okay, my condo is built. Not exactly the best, but just nice because it's raining now. And you can kind of see the clouds rolling in over the hills, off and on again. So I think maybe I will not climb the hill today, maybe tomorrow morning. I didn't bring the eggs. I brought like 2 dozen eggs. Fucking hell. It's not too bad. A little buggy. Maybe after the fire be better. And we had fire! It's raining. It's kind of raining. But this will last me for a while. There's wood everywhere. Look at it. Perfect. And if I want wanted to lean. I have a one-seater, just nice. Oh, you guys. Lean, and this. Oh, and the temperature out here, it's right now 26-ish. With the rain, maybe 25.5, but in the night, I think it was 21, 22, and I'm dry. So with me, my head here, I take out all the pillows and the blankies and everything. My legs will be in the car, so if I needed the door down, I could. It's open. And I got an umbrella stuck out there, just in case. So then the pan goes here on the sticks. Yeah. And this is the sun setting time check. Now is, you don't see it, 6:30. Friend, feed him some bacon. Okay, I locked up my camp, and I think it's nice, passing cloudy. 9, almost 9. Walk up. 2 hours up and down. 2 hours. I'm about a little over halfway. Holy crap! Almost there. Fucking hell! Holy fuck! Yeah, see, but. Crap, I'm at the top. 930 something meters. This peak looks higher than the other peak, but there's people with a flag. This spot's better, just from the peak down. Can't really see on camera, but the breeze coming up on both sides. This is one side, this is another side, and it goes the crest. Oh, cleared up a little bit. This is the lake. Waited almost half an hour, 45 minutes for this shot. Finally, the people that were hogging the peak left. Freaking left. Almost an hour. And I am here. Holy fuck. It is a bit high, even for me. It's nice though. Fuck, that's really far. This is clear now. Oh man, going down to the beach. Clouds looks nice though. It's day 2, lunch, and my styrofoam icebox still has frozen beer, and it's barely melted. Inch thick dinner is still frozen. Fucking hell. New York Angus. That. Damn. That's nice. Get a massive fire going for the night. Need a base for the steak. Sun's going down. Good. 12 hours of daylight. Drinks. Got some sake of Seiko and of that squirt. So either squirt or Fresca. Third, and last and final 1/3, the OJ. What is Maracuya? I'm not exactly sure, but it's like OJ. Okay, that's full. Alright, another! Alright. Been baking this fire for a while now. Should be ready for the steak. Next, you gotta just find a good spot and put it down. Set it up for 2.5 minutes. Alright, it's been 2.5 minutes. Make sure you didn't move it in that 2.5 minutes. Turn it around and it looks a little bit too black, so drop it down to 2 minutes because this is an inch thick steak. And that is time. 2
minutes on that side, and it looks. So you washed your pot. Oh wow, look at that, like a car wreck, and that is the best. A little Walmart knife, not too well because oosh, jeez, medium rare. Some would say almost blue, the best. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Holy fuck! Very very steep and very narrow. You can't see it in the video because it appears we have gone the wrong way. Fucking map said go this way, now no. So that was fun, let's do that again. Climb and the car with no 4-wheel drive.
Take the next right onto La Entrada del Val.
Yes, I know, fucking Google, shut the fuck up. Oh
Continue
my God.
on La Entrada del Val for 800 meters.
Thank God that didn't slip.
Arrived at Anton Valley without dying.
Holy fuck, boy! Steep!
This is the way I'm taking. Because I've not taken this road. I took this road up. I took this road up to Anton before. So now I take this road down. Hopefully it's kind of a proper road because I smell my clutch. Bro, this is not even a road. Oh fuck. Now there's another car. There's a road. 43 Ks. Single one-way roads. To take a look at the tour the mountain. Jeez. Google Maps. If you want an adventure, follow Google Maps. Not sketch. Not sketch at all. Can do it. Dude, this is fucking steep, man. Yo, bro, there's no motherfucking way the car can make it. Look at that. See? I'm laying flat.
Nope, that's the end of our adventure. There is just no possible way to take the small roads to the beach from the mountain. Which is probably why in my head I was thinking there's nobody else on this road, front and back, just me. Why?
Man, this is a pretty good view. Like New Zealand. Why are there no trees on these hills? And then you see the ocean right there. See? That's
So that is in today's plan, and we are
almost about the first point. Almost. Holy shit. Bumpy again. Almost there. Almost there. Kite surfing here. You have like a cabana in the shade, facing the sea. Mountains where I came from was right there. Very nice. I'm gonna do a short detour in town first. So it's gonna be about an hour, half probably. Okay, nice. The road just ended. It just ended. Just literally, it just ended. Hey, that's pretty bad spot. Fuck you, Google. There's really nothing here. Well, this pretty local place. It's kind of a bitch getting in here though.
Welcome to Lake Gatun. This is one of the main lakes that feeds the Panama Canal. And a lot of say that the lake is low. Yes, kind of, I guess. And it's so heavy I can't get out. Everybody from this last part of town is here. Because I've been driving for what seems like 30 minutes detour from the main road. 30 minutes detour from the main road. Oh my god, I think it's more than that. No, there was literally no one all the way until the very last. While I'm here, I made a little makeshift dry window to wash my pot and make a little hot coffee and just chill out and see what these guys are doing. It's like that, stumps for a long distance. I don't know if they're floating or if they're in the ground. Now the only question I need to figure out is how do I get the pot on top without burning down the car. Perfectly safe, there's ventilation. You would not believe me if I didn't show it to you. It's at the perfect height and the flames aren't touching anything else. It's right in the middle and none of this is combustible. So I can take the off and on the heat. Perfect. I make some drip ass coffee. Okay, first pot is boiling now. Put some beans, don't spill it all over the car. Alright, first boiling water is for the coffee. Don't miss. This method is pretty slow. If there's a gas burner, it'll be better. So I figure out another good use for the cover. So that I can keep the window open. Keep it a little bit dry. Relax. It definitely takes a while, but my motherfucking noodles are done. It's nice and soft. And also, the rain has stopped. Somebody dropped by and he was taking a look. I was like, I think he thought maybe I was selling something. I was like, what the fuck? No hablo español. Okay, I am done. Now, just put everything back to the way I got it. There's still a good like 2/3 left. Ready to go. This was the plan to complete it in 5 hours, but it definitely didn't take 5 hours. It took motherfucking 8 hours because of the jam. I'll show you later. And this was what we was able to explore on that day. I managed to only go up to the right, the rural area, only by a certain amount, and then I came back down the mountain, and then I went around the tip of the Anton Valley, and then went down by the regular way. And this was what's waiting for me at the bottom of the motherfucking mountain, near to the city. They had roadblocks all the way because of the protest demonstrations, because of the mining contract that the Panama government extended for the Canadian mining company. So there's protests everywhere. And that's the end of the day. It took me only about two hours to get home.